Hello, my friends! Today we're whipping up a dish that's close to my heart, stuffed Tuscan chicken. This recipe is close to my heart. It's elegant, it's impressive. But guess what? It's also incredibly easy and fast to make. In just 30 minutes, you can have a restaurant-quality meal on your table. This dish is perfect for a weeknight dinner. It's also special enough for a dinner party. This chicken is bursting with flavor. It's sure to impress your friends and family. Are you ready to bring a taste of Tuscany to your kitchen? Let's get started. Before we begin, let's gather our ingredients. Cooking is an art, and like any masterpiece, it starts with the right tools and materials. In this case, our tools are the freshest ingredients we can find. This recipe is all about fresh, vibrant flavors that sing together in perfect harmony. Here's what you'll need to create this culinary symphony.
For the chicken, you'll need 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Make sure they're fresh and of good quality, as they are the star of this dish. Season them generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. This simple seasoning enhances the natural flavor of the chicken. For the creamy filling, grab 1 cup of ricotta cheese. Its smooth texture and mild flavor will add a delightful creaminess to the dish. You'll also need half a cup of grated parmesan cheese. Its nutty, salty profile will complement the ricotta perfectly. A 1/4 cup of chopped fresh basil is essential. Its aromatic, slightly sweet flavor will brighten up the filling. 2 cloves of garlic minced finely will add a robust, savory depth to the dish. A 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes will bring a gentle heat, balancing the richness of the cheeses. And of course, don't forget a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. These simple seasonings tie everything together.
For the sear and sauce, you'll want 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This will help create a beautiful golden crust on the chicken. Half a cup of dry white wine will add a subtle acidity and depth to the sauce, enhancing the overall flavor. You'll also need half a cup of chicken broth. Its savory richness will form the base of the sauce. A 1/4 cup of heavy cream will add a luxurious velvety texture to the sauce. And finally, a 1/4 cup of grated mozzarella cheese will melt beautifully, adding a gooey, cheesy finish.
Oh, and make sure you have everything prepped and ready to go. Trust me, it makes the cooking process so much more enjoyable. Having your ingredients organized will make the cooking process even smoother. It's like setting the stage for a perfect performance.
Now let's create the star of the show, the creamy, flavorful filling.
In a medium bowl, combine the ricotta cheese, parmesan cheese, basil, garlic, and red pepper flakes. Season generously with salt and pepper. Mix everything together until well combined.
This filling is a symphony of flavors.
You have the creamy ricotta and the sharp parmesan. The fresh basil adds a lovely aroma. The garlic and red pepper flakes provide a touch of heat. Oh, and remember, you can adjust the seasoning to your taste.
Alright mates, next up let's prepare our chicken breasts. If your chicken breasts are on the thicker side, you'll want to butterfly them.
Oh, and in case you're wondering, to butterfly a chicken breast, you just slice it horizontally, almost all the way through.
Exactly. This creates a perfect little pocket for all that delicious filling.
Now comes the fun part, folks, stuffing the chicken.
Spoon a generous amount of the ricotta filling onto each chicken breast. Then gently fold the chicken over the filling to enclose it completely.
Be sure the filling is nice and evenly distributed, okay?
See, that wasn't so hard, was it? Now let's move on to cooking these beautiful stuffed chicken breasts.
All right, it's time for the next step, searing and baking these beauties to perfection. This is where the magic happens, where heat and time work together to transform simple ingredients into a culinary masterpiece. Start by heating some olive oil in a large oven-safe skillet over medium-high heat. The oil should shimmer slightly, signaling it's ready to work its magic.
Ah yes, carefully place the stuffed chicken breasts into the hot skillet. Listen to that sizzle. That sound is the beginning of flavor development. As the chicken starts to caramelize and lock in its juices, cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. This step is crucial to achieve that beautiful golden brown crust. You want them golden brown with a slight crispness. This crust not only adds texture, but also enhances the overall flavor of the dish.
Once you've got that golden brown crust, pour in the white wine and chicken broth. These liquids will deglaze the pan, lifting all those flavorful browned bits stuck to the bottom. Bring it to a simmer. This step allows the flavors to meld together, creating a rich and aromatic base for the dish.
Oh, and don't forget to cover the skillet tightly with a lid or some aluminum foil before transferring it to a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. This ensures the chicken stays moist and tender as it bakes. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes. During this time, the chicken will absorb the flavors of the sauce, becoming even more delicious.
Make sure the chicken is cooked through. This is where a meat thermometer becomes your best friend. It should reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. This ensures the chicken is safe to eat and perfectly cooked.
While the chicken is baking, let's chat about the sauce, shall we? This sauce is the unsung hero of the dish, tying all the flavors together. The white wine and chicken broth create a flavorful base. They add depth and complexity, elevating the dish to something truly special.
And when you add the heavy cream, oh my goodness, it takes the sauce to a whole new level of richness. The creaminess balances the acidity of the wine, creating a harmonious blend. Together, they make the most delicious sauce for our chicken. It's the perfect finishing touch, turning this meal into a feast for the senses. Alright, after 20 to 25 minutes, take the skillet out of the oven. Carefully remove the lid or foil.
Ooh, now it's time for the cheese. Sprinkle the mozzarella evenly over the chicken breasts.
Yep, and then pop the skillet back into the oven for just a few minutes.
You want the mozzarella to melt completely. And oh man, turn golden brown and bubbly.
This final cheesy flourish adds such a lovely gooey finish to our Tuscan chicken.
The smell. Your kitchen must smell amazing right now.
Almost there, folks! Carefully remove the skillet from the oven, ensuring you use oven mitts to protect your hands from the intense heat. The aroma of the roasted chicken will already begin to fill the kitchen, teasing your senses. Let the chicken rest for a few minutes before serving. This step is crucial as it allows the flavors to settle and the juices to lock in, ensuring every bite is as succulent as possible.
Yes, this resting period allows the juices to redistribute, making the chicken even more tender and flavorful. It's a small detail, but one that makes all the difference in achieving that perfect texture.
Now serve the chicken hot, letting its golden, crispy exterior shine. The presentation is just as important as the taste. Spoon that luscious sauce generously over each piece. The sauce, rich and aromatic, ties all the flavors together beautifully.
And, of course, garnish with some fresh basil leaves for an extra touch of flavor and elegance. The vibrant green adds a pop of color that makes the dish even more inviting.
This dish pairs beautifully with so many sides, roasted vegetables, creamy polenta, or even a hearty risotto. The options are endless. Or for a lighter option, a simple green salad with a tangy dressing works wonderfully to balance the richness of the chicken.
And there you have it, restaurant-quality stuffed Tuscan chicken, prepared in under 30 minutes. It's a dish that looks as good as it tastes. Quite the culinary achievement, I must say. It's a testament to how simple ingredients, when treated with care, can create something extraordinary.
It's a dish that's sure to impress, and honestly, it's so satisfying to make. The process itself is a joy, from the preparation to the final plating. So, what are you waiting for? Gather your ingredients, embrace the art of cooking, and treat yourself and your loved ones to a taste of Tuscany. It's an experience you'll savor long after the last